Moment emozjonali għal kantawtur Philip Vella kif fl-aħħar ġranet kellu l-opportunità li jiltaqa' mal-Papa Franġisku u jippreżentalu CD tal-kanzunetta Rajt Raġel li hija dedikata propju għall-Papa nnifsu.
We come from Malta. It's an honor for me to be with my wife, my son and my wife. I'd like to present to you a CD, a song, which I wrote on the occasion of last year's Good Friday. And I wrote the music and I sang it, and the Minister of the Destiny from Malta wrote the lyrics. I would like to present it to you.
L-udjenza mal-Papa Franġisku saret l-4-22 ta' Settembru. Iżda l-istorja tal-kanzunetta Rajt Raġel b'kitba Evaris Bartolo tmur lura għal April tas-sena 2020 fil-bidu tal-pandemija. Fil-fatt, ix-xena li tibqa' fil-moħħ ta' ħafna hija dik tal-Papa tilet taraġġ waħdu f'nofs Pjazza San Pietru lejn il-Bażilika tal-Vatikan, xena li Philip Vella innifsu tkellem dwarha f'intervista li kellu ma' Rome Reports.
I managed to present the CD to the Pope, which was one of the highlights actually in my career, in my life, because I was really moved in doing this.
Il-kliem tal-kanzunetta kienu nqalbu bil-Malti mill-poeżija Ofisto un Uomo ta' Giuseppe Messe. Philip Vella kompona il-mużika fil-waqt li jibnu xon ħaħsieb l-arranġament mużikali.